Hi, this is Sasha again with more tips on saving money with your HVAC system, courtesy of Call Greenway Home Services in Memphis, Tennessee. For quality appliance and plumbing services, visit www.callgreenway.com. Here are 2 more ways that you can keep your energy costs down and keep your heating and air system functioning at peak performance. Vents may not be the most attractive elements in your home, but don't cover them up. Let them be exposed for a free flow of air and thus a more comfortable temperature in your home. Clean air ducts mean better indoor air quality and up to a 40% increased HVAC efficiency. You can clean your ducts yourself by unscrewing the grills and scrubbing them clean and vacuuming out the ducts. You can use a broom to dust off the grills in your ceiling. But for a more thorough cleaning of your air ducts, you may want to hire a professional company to do the job. Check your air conditioning system at the beginning and end of each cooling season to make sure that it is running at peak performance for you. We all know how important an air conditioning system is in the Memphis heat, so by keeping your vents uncovered and your air ducts clean, you can save energy and money on your heating and air bill. For air conditioner repairs, contact Call Greenway Home Services, Appliances and Plumbing at www.callgreenway.com.